Amazing morning, Team Bless!
And this is the first ever Bless Event 2025.
Amazing morning, Team Bless!
Kaya yung katabi mo, tapikin mo at sabihin mo, you are next!
Kahit wala kang experience, background, connections, kayang-kaya mo rin maging diamond.
Grabe yung mga presence ng bawat isa dito. Hindi po ito mangyayari kung wala ang bawat isa.
Isa ka ng palakpakan na mahiyawan! And right now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to Team Bless 2025 event here at the Rossman Pavilion.
Remember, you are strong. Hindi binigay sa'yo ni Lord yung vision to be with I Am Worldwide, achieving nothing.
Kahit sino po ang sumira sa'yo tungkol sa business mo, kung ikaw mismo ang patunay kung gaano kaganda yung product mo, walang makakabali ng desisyon mo. Tandaan mo sa multi-level marketing, duplication is the key. So, kanino mo duduplicate ang sarili mo kung wala kayong unity?
Kahit hindi mo pa nakikita yung mangyayari sa'yo, pinaplano mo na. Vision gives birth to plans, and plans give birth to works. Works fulfill your purpose.
Thank you, Lord, for letting me know this kind of product. Thank you, Lord, for bringing me in this kind of community.
Put your hands together as we welcome our Diamond Elite Executives, a truly powerful couple, Mentor Ray and Jen Montano!
Kaya naman kung ikaw nandito ka sa I Am Worldwide, uma-attend ka ng mga events, ituloy-tuloy mo yan, yung hataw mo, yung grind mo na yan, lahat yan mag-harvest. Basta, i-manage natin ang tama, lahat ng meron tayo.
Magkaroon lang tayo ng faith kay Lord. Huwag natin limitahan yung kayang gawin ng Panginoon sa buhay natin.
Kaya kami dinala dito sa I Am Worldwide kasi brand new car yung ibibigay pala sa amin.
Magsama-sama po tayo, magtulong-tulungan po tayo kasi by next year, dapat mas malaki na tayo.
Congrats!